Oh, good day, guys. So in this particular video, I'll be teaching us on how to set our account for the robot. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download your MT4. Like I said, if you want to use the robot, you have to be using MT4, this particular robot. So we have our MT4 robots, MT4 account already in, which is this. And the details we got there, the password, the server, everything, I hope we can still remember in the previous video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to this right top corner to download your MT4 on your laptop. So if you're using Windows, you click here. If you're using MacBook, you click here. Android, you click here. For this video, we'll be using MT4 and we are downloading on our Windows. So we're going to click work, download. Upon clicking on download, click on save. Then you can see already done downloading. So what you want to go ahead is you want to go ahead and install this. I already installed. Well, you're going to go ahead and install this. You click on yes, then you click on next. I will not do that because I've already installed. So upon finishing installation, you should have something like this. After the full installation, you should have your stuff like this up and running like this. So the next thing you want to do is you want to log in. You want to log in your account. You want to log in your account on the you want to log in your account on the you want to log in the account on your MT4 laptop. So you want to come to this file at the right top corner, left top corner, click on open an account or log into a trade account. If you're logging into a trade account, all you just have to do is you click the number, the password, and the server. And the server, you understand? You choose the server, very important. Then boom, you are in. But in this case, we'll be using demo and this is what it looks like. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to plug in the robot. You want to plug in the robot. Now, remember the file you have been given, which is the robot file. Now, this is what you want to do. So what I want you guys to do is now is, so the file of the robot in which guys you have been given, which is this particular one. All you want to do is you want to come here first, you copy it, and go back to your CPT platform here. After logging in, you know you already are logged in. You want to come here, you want to click on Open Data Folder, then you want to come to your MQL4, then you want to come to your expert, then you want to paste it here. You left click or right click to paste it. And we have it here. Can you see now, guys? The next thing you want to do now is you want to close, this and open it again. So upon opening it again, I believe I should have the file on this now. Now can you see? I have the file here, CPT Go Spot. Now I have all these charts opened, and these are the charts I'll be testing them with. Euro USD, GPD USD, USD JPY, USHF. And I can as well add code. You understand? For any chart you want to open, you want the boat to be trading on. You understand? I will stick to it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your tools, you want to come to options, you want to come to the place where you have expert advisors. You want to check allow automated trading, allow DLL imports, allow site code for, and click on what? Okay. Now to be notified, guys, because if you want to be notified on your phone, still come on the tools, options, some server, click on trade. Sorry, click on notification. Because you have to log in this particular account on your phone as well. So to get notified and to be able to monitor your phone. But click on enable push notification. Because of this now, if you log in, the same login is using your phone on your phone. Anytime the robot plays a trade on your laptop, you get notified on your phone that a position has been placed, which is very interesting. Click on OK, and that's all. So now the then next thing you want to do is you want to push the robot to different charts. You understand? So you have to put this robot on charts one, chart two, chart three, charts four. Not like the robot will start trading them on its own. No, you have to do the settings. So now I want to drag this robot. I've left clicked on it. I'm holding it. And I'm dragging it to the first chart. And I'm dragging it is going to bring this about common, then input. Now on the input, now the only thing that I get to change is this lot size. Listen to me, guys. So now, if you have an account that is worthwhile, $100 plus, $50 plus, you understand? Depending on what you're trading, for Euro USD, you can use 0.5, GBP USD 0.02, gold 0.01. You understand? But for your stats, you can use 0.01 for everything. So in this case, I'll be using 0.01. So when you see it's making profit and you feel like you want to increase your profit, you can increase your lot size as well. But you can as well reach out to me right then. I would have a list of lot size to give you guys to use. So now we'll be using 0.05 or 0.01. Let's use 0.01, guys. Then click on OK. So now you can see the robot is smiling here. So the robot is already working, it means. You understand? So this is already displaying green. So it means the robot is on. You understand? So the same way we did for here, I drag and drop for the remaining four. I change the lot size 0.01, or if I'm leaving 0.05, I do the same thing here to this. Okay. You can see the robot is smiling on each face now. It's not yet smiling here because we've not done it here. So I drag it here as well. Okay. It says already smiling. So if the robot is not smiling, let me show you very well. If it's not smiling, it means it's not yet on for work. You understand? So for this case now, maybe at night when you are done, you want to put the robot off, you come here, you click it. If it's showing red, yeah, it means it's off. If you wake up the next morning, you click on here to play it, and that's all. If you want to see the trade is currently trading, you can just click on this trade here. You understand? And you click on this trade here. It will show how much is trading. To check your history, you can also click on here to check your history, account history. Then it will bring total profit and loss of the account that has made. So thank you very much. God bless you. If you have any other complication, please do well to reach out to us. Yes.